Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat, back with another video. In this video today, a bit of a different video today, we're going to do some news about crypto. Okay, we're going to start with this huge Ponzi which was around about a couple of years ago. You guys probably remember BitConnect. When that kind of fell, then this one emerged shortly after, 6 months later or so, and it kind of like all the people from BitConnect kind of just moved on to this. The Chinese police seized crypto assets worth $4.2 billion. This is crazy. This is how much money flowed into this Ponzi. And there's a lot of people out there that just like to get rich quick without doing any work. So yeah, there you go, 4.2 billion. The Token Plus controversy, which has led to the arrest of 109 individuals so far, has reportedly resulted in a titanic seizure of crypto assets by the Chinese authorities worth $4.2 billion in today's prices. According to court filings released publicly on November the 19th, and posted by the block authorities, seized a staggering 194,755 Bitcoin, 800,000 or so Ethereum, 1.4 million Litecoin, 27 million EOS, 74,000 Dash, 487 million XRP, 6 million Dogecoin. Oh my God, there is, holy crap, 79,000 Bitcoin Cash and 113,000 Tether. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. It just goes to show you that this sort of stuff that goes out on the internet, people get suckered into this stuff, and people actually actively promote it. I saw it all over my Facebook. So it's kind of like karma, isn't it? You know, the people that ran it are now probably going to be locked up in jail, and that's what they deserve, because a lot of newbie investors got suckered into this and lost money. Lesson learned for everyone, I hope. Yield farming is a fad, but DeFi promises to change the way we interact with money. It just talks about the economic downturn, banks, and just how the current system is just pretty much lackluster. There's not much trust in the financial system, and this is why DeFi has emerged. It's basically taking everything from the financial instruments for banks and then taking it to a decentralized environment. Now, obviously, DeFi is not it's not perfect at the moment, okay, but it has a long way to go, put it that way, okay? But I don't think DeFi it's not going to disappear, right? It's not a fad, and yield farming, maybe yield farming is a fad, but definitely DeFi is not a fad. I don't know, let me know your thoughts on that. Maybe, these sort of things, they morph into different things. Maybe yield farming will morph into something else. Do you think DeFi is a fad? So Facebook Libra has announced they were going to launch. All right, so this is like the second time, kind of, right? The first time they tried to launch it was a failure. Now they're looking at launching in January 2021 as a USD stablecoin. So as of an actual coin itself, Facebook as a coin to invest in, it's a stablecoin. Okay, so it's going to be a centralized coin controlled by Facebook and obviously US regulation, probably regulated by the SEC with licenses in certain states in America. As an investment, from an investment perspective, like it's a stable coin, so that there would have to be certain perks that would benefit for you holding stablecoin. You can make money with stablecoins, okay, but how this is public, like how this is traded, is yet to be seen. but you can make a lot of money from stablecoins by just buying them, and then when the market dips, you use stablecoins. It's a very powerful strategy. So I don't know how this will play out, but certainly I have got my eye on this one, being Facebook's official cryptocurrency, digital currency. So we'll see how that pans out. PayPal suspends users for crypto trading using PayPal's own service. A PayPal user reports their account has been restricted after they traded crypto too frequently using the platform. According to a US-based Reddit user, the Cool Doc, PayPal sent them a message stating it had permanently limited the account due to potential risk. The user said that they had made at least 10 crypto transactions within a week, purchasing during dips and selling when the price is high, and PayPal had asked for an explanation for each transaction. This is hilarious. They obviously don't know about crypto trading. That's the whole point, to buy and sell. In a matter of hours, PayPal reported sending a message stating the user would not be able to conduct any further business using the platform, and the users stated that the remaining funds in the account, $460, were placed on 180 hold. That's what they always do. Yeah, that's pretty hilarious actually, because that's the whole point of trading, okay? But they don't want people to trade. Ethereum miners will have little choice once Ethereum 2.0 launches with proof of stake. As Ethereum is finally set to launch Ethereum 2.0 upgrade later this year, putting an end to long streaks of delays, the network will start moving towards proof of stake model. Consequently, the network will abandon the proof of work consensus algorithm, leaving Ethereum miners with very little options, since their equipment will be obsolete and they will be forced to start mining altcoins or recertify as ETH stakers. So what is the current state of Ethereum mining, and exactly what will happen to the industry as a result of upcoming transitions? Yes, of course, once Ethereum 2.0 launches, the transition to proof of stake is going to take a couple of years. So they've still got a couple of years of mining, yeah. And even if Ethereum GPU miners, they'll just switch to different coins. There's plenty of other proof of work coins out there. All right, so yeah, it'll impact obviously the big makers of graphics cards like AMD and Nvidia. Nvidia made something like $175 million from selling graphics cards to crypto miners, but we're still a couple of years away from that. So we'll see what happens. It'll certainly impact companies like Nvidia and AMD. Why institutions suddenly give a damn about Bitcoin? Without a doubt, Bitcoin has become an increasingly popular asset to own among institutional investors. By the end of the year, end of quarter 2020, Fidelity reported in a survey of almost 800 institutional investors that 36% own cryptocurrency assets. A separate survey conducted by crypto asset insurance company Avertis shared that respondents believe hedge funds will increase their crypto holdings drastically. It is also projected that 90% of institutional holders of crypto assets expect to invest even more in Bitcoin in the coming year. So that is good news for all people like us who have been in the crypto space for years and hodling their Bitcoin or using altcoins to buy more Bitcoin. Okay, that's definitely my strategy. I use altcoins to 5, 10, 20x in the short term, obviously depending on which projects. We also use ICOs and pre-sales to try to get those short-term gains, and then flip into Bitcoin for long-term hodling, and Bitcoin's more or less the store of value. So these are the Bitcoin companies, publicly traded companies with Bitcoin. Obviously, MicroStrategy, Galaxy Digital Holdings, BC Group, Square, obviously Hunt 8 Mining Corporate. They're a mining company. I believe they're in Canada somewhere. Could be Canada, I think. They're actually publicly traded company. Yeah, that's something to think about if you're investing into stocks. Voyage Digital Limited, they only got 1,239. Riot Blockchain, Bit Digital, Coin Citadel, Advanced Bitcoin Technologies, Bitcoin X, and all this information would be obviously revealed in their financial statements as they lodge their. Legally, they have to do that if they're publicly traded companies. So that's where this information's come from. So let me know your thoughts on this, guys. I think it's good for Bitcoin long term as more institutional investors and public companies realize that it's an asset that's going to go up drastically in the next few years. Let me know your thoughts on the Ponzi scheme. Were you one of those that invested into Plus token? Obviously, the DeFi yield farming. Is it a craze? Is it a fad? What are your thoughts on that? Facebook Libra Coin. What are your thoughts on that? PayPal. It's hilarious. The antics continue. Ethereum miners. Are you a GPU miner? And obviously, institutional investors. Will that help Bitcoin? What are your thoughts on that? Are you hodling Bitcoin? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so then you get notified when I upload my next video immediately. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video.
Are you new to crypto and DeFi? You're not sure how to navigate through the scams and keep away from the sharks trying to steal your crypto? This space can be very daunting for newbies. That's why we created 100xcryptoacademy.com. This is not just a course on DeFi, yield farming, and investing, but a real community of like-minded crypto enthusiasts who believe crypto is the key to financial freedom. You'll get 50+ HD on-demand videos, ongoing research analysis and pre-screened, ICO and pre-sales, 4 weekly webinars per month, with live Q&A, private access to our exclusive forum, and our vibrant Telegram group for live chat and updates. All for a low monthly investment. Check out our Patreon at 100xcryptoacademy.com.